Namaste, good morning. Day 17 of our Mindful Living Shared Practice Challenge. We are going to do some cooking today. Well, we're not going to learn how to cook, but we'll be learning how to cook mindfully. So, so whether we are cooking on daily basis as a housewife or we have to cook sometimes once in a while as bachelors or on shared responsibilities and the first thing that we do is we figure out whether we have all the utensils, all the tools, all the raw material, everything together in one place. So everything is in place. The countertop is clean, the gas stoves are clean, and your hands are clean. You're wearing a cap on the head, as usual. To make it mindful, let's take a couple of deep breaths and giggle in our desired state of well-being for today, for this cooking maybe. So close your eyes, breathe in. Whatever feeling is coming to your mind, breathe out with a smile. And imagine after the end of this cooking process, what do you want your state of mind to be? Breathing in, breathing out with a smile. I can think of a couple. One is definitely taking care of my hunger, health. Another thing that comes to my mind is caring for the one I'm cooking this food for, whether it's myself or my family or my guests. So, having chosen one of the DSW, now let's move on to the process of cooking. And as we start cooking with our clean hands, our focus is to find some well-being anchors which will keep us engaged into the process and we are not multitasking. We don't want to see that while cooking we're watching TV or we're doing something else, we are teaching the kids. It will take our mind away from the food and will not do justice. Remember, whatever we are cooking now, when we're going to eat, after a few days, that's going to become part of us. So we are creating our future through this food. So the more love and the more energy and health we put into this, the better it would be. And as we start cooking, continue cooking, in between, breath and smile are two wonderful anchors that work for, I think, everybody. Just coming back to the breathing process and making sure you're focused on what you're cooking, asking yourself, are we enjoying the aroma? Are able to see how the transformation of the food is happening from raw food to the cooked food? Put as much as love and smiles into the food so that whosoever is eating it also starts smiling and feels the love that you have given to them. Finally, as you are ready to close and you're enjoying the transformation of the food and the color changing, aroma coming out, as we end the process, we do a closing with a mindful observation of all the things are back to where they should be. The countertops and the stove has been cleaned, the food that was cooked has been covered, your hands are washed, and all the things that you used are back to their places. Reflect on the process, whether you really put in your all love and the purpose why you were cooking into why were you cooking. Have you put that purpose, okay, this is going to become part of myself, part of whosoever is eating it, and I want to give them good health, good vibrations, a good future. So this is the purpose. If you remember that or not, give yourself a pat on your back if you did, and if you could not, make sure to do it next time. And also be grateful to all the equipment we use, the gas stove, the cooking utensils, the spices, the raw food, everything. Let's be grateful to them, and the opportunity to cook. This is a great opportunity, it's a blessing. Let's make use of it. So I hope from now onwards, when you cook, you're going to enjoy every moment of this, knowing the purpose, and put a lot of love and smiles into this so that whosoever eats it comes out happy and healthy. All right. So do share how it goes with you, and looking forward to your responses. All the best. Take care.